Hey you guys, I know it's been mad days since I vlogged for Vlogmas, but I don't know, like it was just being a bit much, and then I feel like I was boring you guys a little bit. And yeah, and that's like something I never want to do with my vlogs, make them like boring and repetitive. And because I was a little discouraged because some of the footage that was supposed to be in the very first Vlogmas vlog wasn't put in there, and I didn't notice until like days after. And so I was like, fuck this Vlogmas shit, I'm not doing it. But yeah, I just thought I'll pop back in real quick, throw up a little vloggy vlog, you know, whatever. Today is Saturday, December 21st. No, I'm lying. Today is December 22nd. And tomorrow I am leaving to go down south to my grandma's house for the holidays. So yeah, I got my hair done on Thursday. Yesterday was my last day at my current, well, not my current job anymore, but yesterday was my last day at my job with the elementary school, and I start my new job in January. And yeah, our Christmas show was yesterday, and I might throw in a couple little clips and stuff in this vlog so y'all can see their performance and me just with the kids and stuff like that, because you know, low-key I have a special place in my heart for them, even though they bad as hell. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put those clips in. Oh, y'all all sad?
Yeah, because you're leaving. I don't want to.
Oh,
What? Quit the other job and come back.
you want me to quit my other job and come back?
Yeah.
Why?
That's why you're a good teacher here. I don't want you to leave.
Oh,
Why are you wearing makeup?
yeah, Melina. Hey. Okay. Hey. Anyway, those are just some cute little clips of them. They were saying how much they were gonna miss me and stuff like that, and I cried a little bit, but not a lot, because you know I had makeup on and I'm a thug, so I wasn't crying. And I had told them that I was leaving earlier this week on Tuesday, and they were like really upset. They were crying and stuff, and I was just sad. They kept asking me why I was leaving, and I'm like, it's not because of y'all, it's just because Miss Sheana needs those coins. Miss Sheana needs coins. Miss Sheana needs money. It's not y'all. It's just I need benefits and stuff like that, and this job is not doing it, but my new job is. So but yeah, I'm definitely gonna go back and visit them and everybody. I'm gonna miss them so much. But yeah, you know, we gotta move on, we gotta change. And I was like, oh my god, I'm kind of nervous about starting this new job. It's still with kids and stuff, but it's younger kids than the kids that I was working with. But I'm like, I was so nervous about, you know, moving on and change and stuff like that. And I had to tell myself, you're like, Sheana, change is good. Change moves you along in your journey, in your life, in the path. So you need change. You cannot stay stagnant and idle in one place for the rest of your life just because you're comfortable, you know? you got to be uncomfortable sometimes to get your goals achieved, you know? So I'm like, you know what? Even though I'm comfortable here, I got to move on. I feel like I have done everything I needed to do in this position, and it's just time for me to move on. And I'm happy, I'm excited, and I'm looking forward to all the new blessings, all the new experiences that are coming in 2019. And yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little, you know, a little bit of me before the new year comes. So yeah, I'm gonna try and vlog some more. I think I'm gonna do some videos when I'm down south at my grandmother's house, because ain't shit really down there to do, honestly, because it's the middle of nowhere in South Carolina. If you know about the Carolinas, you know, well, my grandma lives in a small town in South Carolina. I know it's like bigger cities, but she lives in a very small town. So I know I'm not going to be doing much, but I'm happy I'm getting out of the city, because sometimes the city is overwhelming sometimes, and I need a little peace and quiet. And then I'm going to come back before the new year, before New Year's Eve. Well, actually, yeah, we coming back December 30th. Oh, I don't know if I told y'all, me and my mother are going, but I'm gonna come back for the turn up in the city, because I'm not staying down there for New Year's Eve, because ain't shit to do. So yeah, we're going down there tomorrow, coming back the 30th, and then I'm gonna turn up for the new year, and then, you know, get these motherfucking coins, and that's what it is. That's what it is. So hey guys, it is the next day. It is December 23rd, and excuse my nose, like my nose is super stuffed up. I have no idea why. I think it might be the dust in here, but yeah, so if I sound nasally, sorry. Hopefully it goes away. But anyway, it is 3 o'clock in the morning. It's actually 3:25 right now, and we're about to get ready to head out, because our train leaves at 6:02, I think my mother said, or 6:03. So yeah, we're about to get our stuff ready. We're trying to be out of here by like 4:30. Yeah, so to go down south. So, oh yeah, I got my nails done earlier. You know, same old color I always get, you know, pink. I thought it was really cute, you know, regular. But I really need to start getting different colors instead of pink and neutral colors, you know. So yeah, you know how when girls get their nails done, they be like, "What you want? Her? Who? Me? Her? Let me tap her? Oh, okay." Yeah, nah, but I really like my nails. I haven't had my nails done since the summertime, so I'm hype. I want to be like this in the pictures. Let me stop. Yo, I'm so tired. We're in Penn Station right now, and I haven't been to sleep yet. It's like 5-something in the morning, and I haven't slept since 11-something yesterday. 11 in the morning something yesterday. So I'm tired as fuck. Like when I get on this train, I'm gonna be lights out. But yeah, my mother went to go get us some tea from Dunkin' Donuts, so I'm just sitting here holding down the bags or whatever. I'm so tired. I like a bum. Oh God, is that a booger? Ew. Ew. Oh well. Get over it. But yeah, I'm so tired. I doubt if I'll probably talk to y'all when we get on the train. I'm probably gonna find a seat and then get comfortable and go to sleep. So yeah, it depends on when I'm supposed to see I get. I don't know, but yeah. Hey, Mom.
Hi, everyone. We're on our way.
Oh, we moving.
To South Carolina. You know what? Because I thought it was the train. Look, what time is it?
I don't know. You gotta check your phone.
Yeah.
Where's your phone?
Let me see.
Yeah, guys, I got my bonnet on.
6:05, baby.
I wasn't taking out my hair.
And I got pins in my hair, so that's why my scarf is on. But we traveling, and we about to go to sleep in a little while.
Oh, I haven't been to sleep yet, like I told you guys. So I'm about to. She went to sleep, but I'm about to be knocked out on this train.
But considering, I'm surprised I woke up because the alarm clock, I didn't even hear it.
Yep. Mine's went off, but you was already up when mine went off.
Oh, okay.
But
so we on our way on the 89 Palmetto to Savannah.
Oh, you ain't gotta say it.
Okay.
You gotta say all that.
Okay, then.
You gotta say all that.
Okay, excuse me.
Anyway.
She's the director, so I gotta defer to her.
See you guys in like a couple of hours, because we're going to sleep. All right. So guys, I did not vlog when we first got here, but we've been here for like, what time did we get here? Like 6 something, 7 something. And we ate some Chinese food with my grandma. Yo, my grandmother then painted this room pink, like the same color as my nails a little bit. Yo, it's like Pepto-Bismol pink in here, but it's cute. Don't be surprised if y'all see some videos in here. But yeah,